Introducing our double-stage double-gauge regulator. Once connected to a gas cylinder, the inlet gauge displays the current cylinder pressure, which is then filtered by the help of sintered filter. By rotating the adjustment knob clockwise, the back cap holds specific amount of gas, reducing the high inlet pressure from the source to a much lower pressure, delivering the desired working pressure, which is clearly displayed in the outlet gauge. If excess amount of working pressure is being used, then the safety valve releases the excess out of gas to keep the regulator safe. By utilizing a double-stage system, a regulator ensures a stable and consistent gas flow, minimizing pressure fluctuation and enhancing safety. HMP, where engineering meets safety and reliability.